Hi, I'm Neil Milton. I want to talk about beneficiary designations. What are they? Why do they matter? And how can you change them? So, beneficiary designations are forms that go together with various investment accounts and products, namely life insurance, TFSAs, RRSPs, and RRIFs. And they designate a beneficiary or beneficiaries of the account. And that those people are to receive directly and not through the estate and not with the intervention of the estate trustee all of the funds in the account after the death of the account holder. So they're super important. For many people, that is the bulk or even all of their savings, what can be found in a TFSA and what they have in their RRSP or their RRIF. They can also be extremely dangerous. They're often out of date. Often they were done many, many years ago. We see it often where people set these things up or filled them in when they started a job 20, 30, 40 years ago and never changed them. Often they name people who are no longer that important in their life, or we see cases where people named their first child, forgot to change it when they had a second child. We see them naming ex-spouses and having forgotten to have removed an ex-spouse even though they're divorced. So it's very important to update these. Normally, they're updated using the forms and paperwork of the financial institution that holds the account. So whether it's the life insurance company or the bank or wherever your RRSP or TFSA is. They can, however, be changed through a properly drafted will. It's quite difficult. It requires real specificity. You must be precise. But a good lawyer, properly instructed, can change a beneficiary designation in a will. Often that's quite useful, especially if the person, the testator, is no longer able to go into the bank or not getting cooperation quickly enough from the bank. So in these end-of-life type scenarios, it's also very useful from a planning perspective because it means that you can have one document and you're sure that everything's wrapped up and done properly. So super important to deal with these beneficiary designations, especially old ones that may be well out of date. I hope that's helpful. If you have questions or concerns, send us an email. We'll get right back to you.